So we have all gathered here today in this country of Austria, which in Sanskrit we call it Astra. Astra means the divine weapons. And the greatest credit I would give to Austria is this, that you don't find any fundamentalism of any kind, whether it is Islam or whether it is Christian or Hindu, any kind of fundamentalism operating in this country, which is very, very, very rare thing. Right from Russia to England, you find everywhere there is a subtle fundamentalism existing. And this country has this speciality that there is no fundamentalism. And also racialism you don't feel here at all. In every country I have felt that there is racialism. Of course in Russia there isn't, but otherwise. So this country seems to be a very open-minded country, and perhaps because they have such beautiful nature with them. In this beautiful nature, they want to enjoy the nature, and for that you have to have an open heart. Or maybe the vice versa, the nature must have opened their heart. So this land has a speciality, and I'm very happy you all have come all the way from so many countries, even from America, Australia, India. Such far off countries you have assembled here for this celebration. And yesterday we actually saw ourselves with our own eyes the grace falling on this country, because this country deserves it. Any country which has fundamentalism behind it will have to go down in these modern times. Any kind of fundamentalism is out of date, and they cannot survive. They'll be thrown out of the evolution of the societies. So one has to open yourself to everything. Moreover, Sahaja Yoga encompasses all the great religions and all the great incarnations, prophets and saints. We respect all of them equally. Like the Jews respect Christ as they respect Moses, the Muslims respect Moses as they respect Muhammad Sahib, the Hindus respect Muhammad Sahib as they respect Sri Rama. This kind of a mutual respect that we have is not by blind faith, but by understanding through Sahaja Yoga, what we call on our central nervous system, we can feel the divine power, and our whole being works like a computer, and we can find out what is the truth about all of them. And that is how, through our enlightenment, in that light, we worship all these people equally the same. But when it starts going to the fundamental basis, everybody is ruined, everybody's name is put into shame, and all these great people are looked upon as some sort of troublemakers. So today's speciality is that if we have any fundamentalistic ideas within our head, first of all, we should drive it out. In a way, whatever is happening in modern times is the exposure of all that is wrong, evil, and destructive. And all that is today shown to us very clearly. We see it so clearly happening that those people who are against unification of the world, oneness of the world, and love for each other are just getting exposed. So our main power is our love, and that love is so effective, so kind, so tender, so beautiful. It has to be felt and to be enjoyed. So I'm here for a very short time with you, but I'll be coming back because they want to shoot me down there. But after some time, I'll be here to talk to you, and I hope you'll enjoy this beautiful place. Have they arranged there? उन्होंने arrange कर लिया पूछो. Have they arranged the other place? All right. Can we go now? Ask them. In case if they want, I can go and then come back here, so I could be here for a longer period.